kyrtong Congress na West Shillong constituency kong Bethleen Dkhar mynta sngi kanyaw tarik Rymphang arhajar arpulai kalawan thep kyrteng na bynta banya khun election MLA arhajar arpulai haber kren chikilat pathai Khubor kong Bethleen kalaong balada ka Congress kawan Khubor kalong ban Weng kabamsap na Jylla Jong Ngi nang bengin yo ban wanrah Synshar Kaba Khuid suba Jylla.
Win in the upcoming elections?
Well, you see, judging by the response of the supporters in the 18 West constituency, I have no doubt that we are going to win this election. Well, I have certain issues regarding women empowerment. I also have issues regarding the employment generation for the youth. Another thing is, child rights and, of course, security of the people of my constituency. But in the end of the day, what I have been promising to the people is nothing but to be a very good listener so that I can be a representative, I can be a voice and address their problems in the assembly should I be elected. Well, I have always been with the Congress. I started working with the Congress in 1998 and I don't like to hop, skip and jump parties, and therefore, and I believe that the Congress will be coming back to power. Judging from the present situation, I believe and I strongly know that the Congress will come back to power not only in the state of Meghalaya but the entire northeast as well. Well, I have nothing to say, but you should ask the people what he has done for them. The only thing is I believe in my party ideologies and I know that if we come back to power, we would do so much more for the people.